Hello everybody, today we are baking out some gluten-free shortbread cookies. So we're going to start with half a cup of unsalted butter. Next up we have 6 tablespoons of powdered sugar, a half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of almond flour. I put this together using a hand mixer and kind of beat it just enough to get it combined. You're going to want it to still look a little crumbly, but when you pick it up, like I'm doing in the example, and fold it up, it's a smooth ball. So on a parchment lined pan, we are going to just form these into small balls and smush them down with a fork. That way we get our shortbread look. And you can add some sprinkles if you'd like. Bake them at 350 for 10 minutes, and you're going to want to let them completely cool. They're super yummy. Enjoy.